Hi, Mrs. Kreifels here, and today we're going to practice writing things that we like. That is our learning target, writing about things that we like. Now get some paper and you'll write like this, a capital I, go down and across and across. Then we're going to leave some space in between there and then write the word like. Ooh, I, then there's an E at the end that doesn't make any noise. There's I like, and then I'm going to leave a blank here. And the reason I'm leaving a blank is you get to write in whatever word. Like if you want to write I like apples, you would sound out apples. Maybe you like pizza. I like, and then in this blank you would write pizza. You would say p-e-z-a. And use the sounds to help you write the word pizza. Then at the end we put a period. So today, get a piece of paper and write down things you like, and be ready to share this at closing meeting.